Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS PE6000G AGI system. So friend, ASUS has announced the PE6000G, the industry's first AGI system that supports up to a 450-watt GPU for high throughput demanding GPU computing applications, and it is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core processor and paired with the Intel R680E chipset, and P6000G support up to 450-watt graphics card power and ready for the PCI Express 5.0 standard, meeting requirements for enabling real-time AI interface at the edge. And friend, users who require rugged and durable system with stocks and vibration plus wide range operating temperature to accommodate high GPU computing power face the dilemma of finding solutions that provide the necessary specification to meet physical space constraints along with heat dissipation and power consumption within a rugged mechanism design. And this strikes the balance between all these needs for deployment in a variety of challenging environments. And it is a high-end AI-enabled computing platform ideal for deep learning training and interface at the edge, and it supports up to 64 GB ECC or non-ECC DDR5 4800 SDRAM, 4 2.5-inch SSDs, and one each of M.2 M key, M.2 B key, and M.2 E key. It also provides rich connectivity with a full spread of common I/O ports plus support for latest full height, full length graphics card, enabling real-time interfacing and transferring AI to the edge. And friend, this series is also ideal for in-vehicle environments with the wide range 8 to 48 watt DC in support, including built-in ignition power control, plus the ability to monitor the power and solid mechanism structure. And the chassis design complies with the MIL STD 810H military grade standard, and it is engineered to withstand shocks and vibration. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.